get lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Good morning everyone! It's our second day here in Boracay, and for today, papakita ko sa inyo itong Lind Hotel. So I'll give you a tour around the hotel, show you their breakfast buffet, their amenities, and also let's try to do the afternoon tea. So tara, sama kayo, gala tayo! Let's start with the view here from the room. Ayan. This is the view from our sea view room. Okay, so nandito tayo sa 13. Dito yung breakfast buffet nila. Tara, pasok tayo sa loob and let's look at their spread. Okay, let's start here sa pastry selection nila. They have coffee buns, fruit Danish, pan de coco, and their chocolate croissant. Grabe, panalo to. Sobrang sarap niyan. And they also have pandesal, almond and pink croissant, and bread and butter pudding. Tapos, banana muffin, chocolate muffin, and carrot muffin. And they have ube Swiss rolls. Ayan din, may iba't ibang klase sila ng loaf. Ayan. And over here, of course, they have garlic rice, vegetable fried rice, plain rice, hard-boiled egg, and sunny-side-up egg. And then, ensaladang talong, atsara. And here, parang ano to? Leche flan puto. Tapos, ube puto. Bicol Express puto. Interesting. Ngayon ko lang nakita yan. And then here they have siopaw. And then they have danggit. And what's this? Lemongrass chicken. This is pork adobo. Looks good. And then longganisa. They have corned beef, and then garlic sotanghon. They have crispy bangus and chop suey. Tapos nandito yung iba't ibang condiments. And here they have the Hungarian sausage. And then here is bacon. Here they have scrambled eggs and hash brown. Meron din silang garlic kangkong and beans, baked beans. They also have taho station here. And they also have bilo-bilo. Tapos, may mga pang toppings like langka, coconut, and sago. And then here they have Spanish style tuyo and champorado. Nice. What's here? Tomato broth. Ito yung parang soup station nila. Ito naman is chicken stock. And then ayan yung noodles, vegetables, and then squid ball, different toppings nandito. Uy, kimchi jjigae. Sarap yan. Tapos, ayan din. Ito yung congee station nila. Ayan. They have century egg too. And then here is their cereal station. So yan, may granola. And then Cocoa Crunch. Tapos itong cornflakes. Ayan, they have different cold cuts here like honey ham, salami. Ito naman salami Napoli, yung kanina Milano. And then Parma ham. And then Gouda cheese, feta cheese, brie, tanige. And yeah, I think this is also tanige. This is yogurt. And then pudding, raspberry chia pudding. Ito, lemon. And then kiwi yogurt and mango. And nandito rin yung iba't ibang jams nila and butter. And different spread like Nutella, peanut butter, strawberry jam, raspberry. Ito yung unsalted butter. And they have fruits. Ayan. And this is their salad bar. So, ayan, they have different dressings. Tapos, ito yung iba't ibang vegetables. In fairness, ang bango dito, ha? I think yung olives yung naamoy ko. Ayan. And they also have a pancake station. So, yan. Ginagawa pa lang siya. And these are the different syrups or sauce. Tapos, dito yung pinaka-main dining area. Actually, kung titingnan nyo yung spread, konti lang siya, pero lahat yon high quality. Yan. Alright, so, tara, kain na tayo. Okay, here's our breakfast. So, kumuha tayo ng bacon, sausage, egg, bangus, adobo, and rice. And syempre, hindi natin palalagpasin yung different types of pastries nila. Oh, you okay? You okay? Natawa ka sa different types of pastries. How's the bacon? Good. Happy si Cyril. Ano yung sabi mo kanina masarap? Yung
Garlic din ang tawag nila.
garlic sotanghon.
Ay, garlic sotanghon.
Sotanghon yan.
Masarap.
Nice. Okay. Start tayo sa bacon. But before that, alcohol muna tayo. Siyempre, iba't ibang kamay yung humawak sa serving utensils nila, diba? Okay. Start with the bacon.
Correct.
Oh my God. Mm. Yung nakuha ko medyo chewy. Is yours crispy?
You want to?
No, I'm good. Pero parang, alam mo yung pagkain mo ng bacon, naalala mo yung lasa ng bacon nila.
It was so yummy. I didn't even realize.
Actually, yung bacon nila kalasa rin ng sa Discovery, no?
Yeah.
Pati sa no? Itsura.
Yeah, pati itsura. Sausage. Ang sarap.
What is this? No, that one. It's a green.
Sarap ng sausage nila. Mas gusto ko talaga ito sa tinapay. Tapos mayonnaise. This your adobo. Oh, nalaglag pa. Medyo matagas lang yung pork. Tapos ano siya, yung mas maasim na adobo. Masarap sana. Matagas lang yung pork. Ang paborito ni Tikoy, bangus. Aba, sasabihin ko pa lang, ba't wala kang bangus? Meron pala.
Yung nga una ko pinuha eh.
Kulang lang sa marinade, no? Kasi sanay ako yung daing na bangus, parang medyo maasim, di ba? Na maasim na mag-garlic. Ito kulang sa marinade. Maalat lang siya.
Dali mo dala ka po.
Let's try their hot choco.
It's so good.
Really? So good daw, sabi ni Shireen. And you're right. It's good. Unahin natin yung star nila rito. Yung chocolate croissant. Look at that layers. Sarap. Ito, nag-alangan ako kasi yung fruit niya, watermelon. Para try natin. Ang flaky, sarap ng crust. Ayoko tikman yung watermelon eh. Pero may cream sa ibabaw eh.
Oo, sarap yan.
Sarap, kaya natin. Ang sarap ng cream. Ano lang talaga watermelon. Tanggalin natin yung fruit mamaya. Okay, next. Coffee bun. Is this supposed to have a filling or hindi? Actually, wala. Hindi ko rin malasahan yung lasang kape. Hindi ko malasahan yung lasang kape. Para lang siyang bun na may powdered sugar. It looks so good. Almond croissant. Pero parang may chocolate ah. Grabe, ang sarap nito. Ang sarap. We should try this. We should try it. Okay. Then last is there. Yung last for this batch. Chocolate muffin. Sakto lang. Good girl. What's your favorite? Bacon. Have you tasted the hash brown? I don't know.
10 out of 10 dito.
Dahil dyan. Ano yung danggit? Okay, so like what I've said, I'll give you a tour of the Lind Hotel. Mag-start tayo dito sa pinaka-beachfront, dito sa Facade de la. So this is how the hotel looks like on the outside. And then pakita ko lang sa inyo, super high tide ngayon. It's 6:30 in the morning. And ayan. Grabe, ang taas ng tubig. Okay, so pasok tayo sa loob. As you can see, they have ample beach beds. So, mamaya, let's see if we can try to chill out here. Ganyan siya. And this is the Crust Restaurant. So, masarap din mag-dine in dito kasi you have a good view of the beach there. So, dito sa The Lind, they have 2 pools. Good morning! Ito yung pool dito sa ground floor. Malaki-laki rin siya actually. So, this pool is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Yan. Lakad tayo rito. And Oh, this is cool. I didn't notice this before. Meron silang parang bed type sa dining area. And this is the spa. So their massage rates, I think, starts at 2,800. Yan, may mga beach bed din dito. And lakad tayo dito. Ang ganda, diba? Ako, si Cyril super excited na. Nagyaya na siyang mag-swim mamaya. So siguro, let's see if we can swim later. Okay. And as mentioned kanina, dito yung 13 restaurant nila where the buffet breakfast is served. Okay. And then dito naman, right by the, di ba, yan yung pool area. Dito banda, they have a shop. Yan, you can buy flip-flops, swimwear, lotion, tanning lotion. Okay, ito naman yung kids club lounge nila. So, yeah. Nung bata si Cyril, everyday siya nandito as in. Yeah. Yeah. There's no kids right now. And here, I think this is a conference office. Sarado pa siya eh. Let's see if it's open. Yeah. So, ito yung pinaka-gym nila. It's not big but kumpleto naman. Okay. Let's go to the upper deck pool. Okay. So, dito sa lobby area, yung daan natin. Ayan, this is their lobby. Morning! Ang aliwalas, no? Very open yung space. And dito meron din silang photo booth. And this is the way to the infinity pool. Ganda. May mga ano rito, areas to chill. So, pwede kayong umupo dyan. Just relax. Ganda ng view dito. Ayan. Tapos dito sa area na to yung may tent. Minsan, pwede kang magpa-set up dyan ng private dinner or lunch or whatever, private dining. So, ayan yung towels nila. And this is the infinity pool. Ganda, diba? Yan, look at that. Good morning, Boracay. Ganda. And then, there's another area here kung saan ka rin pwede magpa-set up ng private dining. But yeah, and then from here, tanong mo na yung mga rooms. Ayan. Let's go swim. 2 hours only, okay? Hey! Ang talino, hindi sumasagot to. Hey, commit to 2 hours.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Bye, mahal.
Bye.
Bye. Work ka muna.
Love you. Let's go.
Which pool do you want? Yung sa baba or sa taas? Downstairs? Okay, here. Ready to swim. Yeah?
Just kidding.
How's the pool?
Huh?
How's the pool? Is it cold?
Kinda.
Kinda?
It's kinda.
Can you reach the floor?
No.
No? So stay here.
No.
You wait for me. Okay. Oh, careful.
Wait, what kind of water?
Let's try it. Okay. Go, try it. See if it's just, mababaw. Oh? It's not? I saw that. Okay, wait for me. Okay, nandito naman kami ngayon sa infinity pool kasi dito gusto mag-swim ni Cyril. You like it, Cyril?
Yes.
Nice.
There's a massage here.
Really? Okay. I'll join you in a bit.
Okay.
So nice here. Oh, just stay there, okay?
I'm gonna make a tornado pool.
Okay, just stay there, okay? I will just show you guys how it looks like dito sa infinity pool. Nakikita niyo yung cross doon sa taas. And this is the view from here. So nice, it's so peaceful. Ito yung kinaganda kapag maaga-aga pa. And there's my baby girl. Hi! No! Oh my gosh, hindi niya abot yan. She's just gonna swim to me.
I'm gonna get you.
Okay. Okay, nandito na ulit kami sa baba. Jacuzzi time! Yeah. You like it? Feels nice. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hello everyone! Katatapos lang namin mag-swimming ni Cyril and nandito na kami sa room. So hopefully napakita ko sa inyo yung the Lind experience. Like ano yung itsura ng hotel, kamusta ba yung breakfast buffet nila, ano yung mga amenities nila, and if this is the right hotel for you. So mamayang hapon siguro tatry namin yung afternoon tea nila and maybe lakad-lakad tayo sa White Beach, bahala na. Pero that's it for now. We'll see you later. Bye!